Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for review exercise, sequence, sort, and set. Look at number 1. For each the following sequence, find the nth term and the 120th. So let's start with A. So 1, 6, 11, and 16. Find the difference is plus 5. Okay, we only got one difference, so it's gonna be 5n. And then 5 to make it 1, we need to minus by 4. So this 5n minus by 4. So the t 120, we just change it 5 times 120, which is 600, minus by 4 is 596. Okay, go on. B, we got 20, 14, 8, and 2. So this minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Okay, it's only one difference, so it's minus 6. And minus 6, to make it 20, we need to plus by 26. So this is 26 minus by 6n. So t 120, so 26 minus by 6 times 120. So this will give us the answer of minus 694. Next for the C, 2, 5, 8, and 11. This is plus by 3, plus by 3, plus by 3. It's not 8. So 3n, okay, 3n to 3 to make it 2, we need to minus by 2. So this is 3n minus by 1. So t 120, 3 times 120 and minus by 1. So this will give us answer of 359. Look at number 2, tn, it means 2n minus 3, or we can let us expand it. So this is 2n minus by 6. Give the first 6th term in this sequence. So when n equal to 1 until n equal to 6. So we multiply, we got minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, and 8. So what is the 90th? So t90 is gonna be 2 times 90 and then minus by 6. So this will give us the answer of 174. Which term is equal to, okay, so we'll make it tn equal to 2n minus 6. This equal to 86 equal to 2n minus 6. So 2n equal to 86 plus by 6. It's gonna be 92 equal to 2n. So n equal to 46. So t 46 equal to 86. Okay, find the first 3 terms sequence. Okay, so we make it n equal to 1, n equal 2, and n equal 3. It's number 3. So we got it here, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, plus by 4 is 2, 0, and minus 2. Okay, we got it. General sequence, un equal to n minus 7. So if u 51 is mean 51 minus by 7. So u 51 equal to 44. Next, number 5. In a medical trial, the participants are given 160 milliliter of a new medication start from U0. Every 6 hours, 25% of the medication leaves the bloodstream. So the patient